Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Oracle Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type the URL for your Oracle Analytics instance. Press the Enter key to navigate to the login page. Once the page loads, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Confirm that both entries are correct to avoid any errors. If your organization uses single sign-on, look for the SSO option. If applicable, click on the single sign-on button to proceed with that method. After entering your details, locate the login button and click it. Wait for the system to process your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Oracle Analytics dashboard. In case you encounter an error message, double-check your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once your password has been reset, return to the login page. Re-enter your username and new password. Click the login button again. After a successful login, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Explore the various menus and options available to optimize your data analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.